At EPCB Boiler, we don't just manufacture boilers. We design solutions that power industries. At the installation site of the 30-ton chain Grate boiler, EPCB's production strength and product reliability are on full display. Our pressure-bearing components are the heart of the boiler, meticulously designed, with every weld and every material reflecting our commitment to quality. This biomass boiler features a dual-drum design, placed on a platform with an expanded and elevated combustion chamber, setting it apart from traditional boilers. The maximum height of this boiler is 15 meters, delivering outstanding performance. In practical applications, its output can even exceed the rated steam capacity. This chain Grate boiler is not just a product but a powerful piece of equipment designed to meet the specific needs of our customers, providing consistent performance, energy efficiency, and operational reliability. Choose EPCB to meet your industrial heating needs. With our proven production strength and industry-leading product advantages, we are the partner you can trust to help you succeed.